What's up guys, Carlos here from Tech, and the new year is slowly making its way here and we've rounded up the best gaming phones released in the Philippines in 2023. From mind-blowing displays to powerful chipsets and cutting-edge gaming features, these phones are your ticket to an unparalleled mobile gaming experience. We have curated phones built with gamers in mind, and it seems like they come in all sorts of different sizes in varying price points. So without further ado, let's jump in. Affordable yet capable, the Techno POA 5 starts this list off at an official SRP of 7,199 pesos. With a 6.78-inch FHD Plus IPS LCD display that features a 120Hz refresh rate, the Techno POA 5 has set the minimum bar for displays on a gaming-centric device. Adding the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, 8GB RAM with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage is an excellent gaming companion, and the 6000 mAh battery ensures extended gaming sessions without worries. For more information on the Techno POA 5, watch our review here. Of course, what kind of list of gaming phones would this be if we include the POA 5 but not include the POA 5 Pro? Starting at 10,999 pesos, the Techno POA 5 Pro 5G offers stellar performance for everyday use and gaming. It features a 6.78-inch FHD Plus display with 128Hz refresh rate and 8GB of RAM with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. Under the hood, the POA 5 Pro 5G packs a MediaTek Dimensity 6080 chipset that features a Mali G57MC2 GPU and 8GB of RAM, which can be expanded up to an additional 8GB extended RAM. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, this device with a 5000 mAh battery has you covered. We've actually already featured this phone in a review you can watch here. Next is the Infinix Zero 35G, a device that delivers on its promise of a budget mid-ranger with premium gaming features. Priced at only 14,999 pesos, it boasts a 6.78-inch FHD Plus 144Hz 3D curved AMOLED display, and under the hood, we get a MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chipset and 12GB of RAM with 256GB of internal storage. It's a bang for your buck device catering to gamers and content creator alike and can handle most of today's gaming needs. Moving up in budget, priced at 26,999 pesos, the Poco F5 Pro impresses with its 6.67-inch WQHD Plus AMOLED dot display that features a 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate. It's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset with either 8GB or 128GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. With a sleek design and strong performance, it's top contender for Android enthusiasts. As Luis used to say, the Poco F5 Pro just flies. You can throw any task at it and the F5 Pro will handle it with no problem. Navigating the UI, using apps and social media, and playing games are a breeze. And that's to be expected given that Poco has built its name on offering performance-oriented devices. For more information on the Poco F5 Pro, catch our review here. For those seeking top-notch performance in gaming, the Xiaomi 13T Pro is a stellar choice. Its 6.67-inch FHD Plus Crystal Res AMOLED display, which features a 144Hz refresh rate paired with the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 Plus chipset, creates an immersive gaming experience. With either 12GB or 16GB of LPDDR5X memory, paired with 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Whether it's gaming, productivity work, or you wanting to take those Leica optics for a spin, the Xiaomi 13T Pro can take it. Starting at 37,999 pesos, it's definitely the priciest phone so far, but steadfast cause we're only halfway through. Next on this list is the Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro, which sports a 6.8-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a refresh rate of up to 120Hz. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, it offers a choice of 128GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, or a massive 16GB RAM with 512GB combo. This phone is definitely a looker, and the set can be the same for the stunning visuals when playing games. Starting at 42,999 pesos, it's a gaming powerhouse and you should be able to find it from Digital Walker. Next, we have what the mobile gaming fans would call the king. Introducing the Asus ROG Phone 7 series, which continues to dominate the mobile gaming scene. Focusing on the Ultimate variant, it features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 165Hz refresh rate and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Now, these phones are power-packed. At 69,995 pesos, the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate offers 16 gigs of RAM plus 512 gigs of storage, ensuring the most optimal mobile gaming experience, as well as the Aero Active Cooler 7 for optimal cooling when gaming, and a peek at a myriad of accessories you can pair with ROG phones. The ROG Phone 7 and 7 Ultimate by themselves are priced at 54,995 pesos and 50,995 pesos respectively. For more information, check out our review on the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate here. Starting at 57,990 pesos, elevating your mobile gaming experience with any of the options from the Samsung Galaxy S23 series because they all feature a vapor chamber cooling system. From 6.1 to 6.8 inches, all options feature a dynamic AMOLED 2X display that features up to a 120Hz refresh rate, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and configurations of up to 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte of UFS 3.1 or UFS 4.0 internal storage, which means goodbye loading time. All options feature either 8 gig or 12 gigs of RAM, and honestly, it's a gaming powerhouse in its own right, able to handle virtually any app or game you throw at them. The vapor chamber cooling across all models ensures optimal performance during extended use and gaming sessions. Now, last on this list is the latest and greatest iPhone 15 Pro, which introduced hardware-accelerated ray tracing and a console-level gaming experience all in the palms of your hand. With a 6.1-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display that features capable of up to 120Hz refresh rate, we get a superb viewing experience. The key to all this performance is the Apple A17 Pro 3nm chipset. We get 8 gigs of RAM across all configs and internal storage options that starts at 128 gigs to 1 terabyte of storage. It sets new standards for mobile gaming. And that wraps up our list. Whether you're a mobile gamer or a tech enthusiast, these devices offer the best in gaming technology and performance at any budget, ensuring you stay ahead of the pack. Now, what do you think of the devices I just mentioned? Do you think we miss out on a gaming phone release in the Philippines this year that deserves to be on this list? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, be sure to drop us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Migs, and I will see you in the next one.